see if we can find a snook right up on this bank. We gotta do it. Hold on a minute. There's a good one. Oh yes. I can't believe I just called that. Oh my god, this is a really good one. This is a really, really good one. Get out. Oh my god, this is a really, really good one. Please don't move. How crazy was that? I called that shit. How crazy was that? Oh my god. This is the biggest one I've got in a while. Oh yeah. Clapping cheeks this morning, buddy. Bubba stick getting it done. This is a hammer, son. Hammer. He's wrapping around the propeller. Oh my god, he's wrapping around the propeller. Here we go. What's happening? The bait just popped off, literally. Oh. Woo! Freaking kayak fishing, baby. Let's go. Solid kayak snook today. Fishing the Z-Man Razor Z. Skipping mangroves. Bubba Blade Tidal Pro. Bubba Blade Tidal Pro. Putting in work this morning, man. This is a kayak stud. Super stoked about this fish. Alright. Hold on, baby. Let's see. Alright, mouth's there. 30. 32, we'll call it. 32. Maybe a little longer. Kind of hard. She's definitely at 32. Squeeze the tail, she's over 32. So, that is officially a 32-inch snook that I caught on my kayak. One last look at her. We let this baby girl go. Big old girl, son. Biggin'. Man. Thank you so much for eating, baby girl. I truly love snook. They are probably one of my favorite fish to catch. One last look.